So today, got a new plugin for the Buzztouch. It's local notification. You see, I've got it installed in my project here. I'm just going to go over how to install it and use it real quick. Um, so I've got it installed in my project. I've already downloaded the zip file from the Buzztouch control panel. I've already added the plugins folder here, and just got to go through the setup instructions. We're only going to add this thing to the project one time. It doesn't need it more than that. It doesn't have any screens associated with it. It's just a invisible plugin basically, and we're gonna got a few lines of code that we got to add to our project to make it work. So what we're gonna do is go into our btconfig folder, open the appdelegate.m file, and now the first thing I'm going to do is scroll up to the top. Under the import statements, I'm just going to copy this over. I'm going to copy the ACP reminder.h into there. And then for the next step, I'm going to go to application did finish launching. It's usually the first method. I'm just going to add this line here where it says it's got this ask user permission. So then for the next part, I'm going to go down to application did become active. And we got 2 lines of code to add there. The first one's just going to reset the badge number. And the second one is going to see if the notification has been triggered. The next, we're going to go to application did enter background. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of code to add. Just going to get all of these. Some of these are commented out. You're going to want to leave them that way when you upload your app to Apple. So I got those 5 lines in there, and the first one, or this last one here, we're going to uncomment it to do some testing. So where it says local notification.test flag in seconds equals yes, we're going to uncomment that. And what that does is it changes the notifications from days to seconds. So when we test the project, we can see the notifications pop up almost immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the emulator or the simulator. And then I'm just going to go up here to hardware and hit home. And we're just going to wait a few seconds for the first notification to pop up. So I got 5 notifications set up, 4 or 5, I don't remember. You see the first one popped up here. Second one popped up. Here's the third one. And that was the 4th one. So that should be the last one. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this. If there's any more, they may pop up still. I think that was the last one though. So what I want to do is come back into the project and comment out this line local notifications .test flag in seconds equals yes. That's default is set to no, and what that'll do is set it to where it'll run those notifications after a set number of days instead of seconds. So if I run that again, and then go up to hardware and home, just going to wait and see if any pop up. So by changing that back to days, I shouldn't see anything here for, I don't know, if we give it 10 seconds, we shouldn't see anything. But So far we don't have anything, so it should be back to days. And this is how you're going to want to upload your app to Apple. Make sure that testing flag has been commented out. So and that was the last bit of code to manipulate, and that's it for this video.